an unscheduled one. I hope everyone is. Let's have a conversation this evening. You know, this video I titled it the Niger Bridge Gridlock. What it has to do with the Igbo nation. So I hope a couple of you will join me now. So quickly, let's start. I'm waiting for some of you to join me. If you can join me quickly, so that you see what we are seeing here. I have to abandon my driver. I have abandoned my driver, so I'm now going. Okay, everybody, join me, share the video, like the video as usual. So let me show us something, because this is Mazes, okay, here. Yeah, hello everyone. Hello, Gerard. Now, I want to quickly show us. When you talk about insanity, this is a clear case of insanity here. And it will beat you silly to know that, I hope you guys can hear me, to note that people are mad. I'm going to get somewhere, then I'll show us what's happening. You can see this is the gridlock of Onitsha, people heading for, this is New Year. I'll try to see if I can change my camera, then we'll see. Okay, watch this. So let's wait and see where this gridlock is. These are people, everyone going down to Anambra, some maybe to Port Harcourt or really. But you can see how, now this is over 10 kilometers. This has gone past, the junction to Asaba. It's gone past that, okay? So you look front, we can't even see the second Niger bridge, the Niger bridge yet. The Niger bridge is nowhere to be found. And you can see people driving one way, like mad people. When I say mad, as in mad people. This is happening in Asaba. There is a gridlock. Look at this one. There is a gridlock. And the gridlock, everyone, if they maintain their lane, maybe people will live here. No, but they are not maintaining their lane. Okay? People are not maintaining their. Oh, Jesus Christ. I mean, I've never seen something like this. It's a clear case of insanity. This is having been in the traffic for over 3 hours. Non-moving. 3 hours. Okay? So watch out. I'll stay here now. I'll show us. So these are people heading into Asaba. The one moving now is people heading into Asaba. So the one at the top right are people heading into Onitsha. You can see. So tell me, there is no hope. People and cars are breaking down. Look, cars are already breaking down. This one is already broken down now. So we don't know what is happening here. Yeah? You see, and the Okada comes in with siren. See, Okada with siren. Now you can see madness. You see them here. These are mad people. See? See mad people driving. These are mad, when I say mad people, one way. They are driving one way against the traffic. And that's the reason why you have the gridlock. It's as simple as that, people. It's as simple as that. Jesus. Okay, so you can see me here. When I say, I'm here live. I basically come to Asa. But after coming to Asa, I can no longer go home. So we might even sleep here. I've gone to Asaba, but After going to Asaba, it appears I might not even get home. Huh? After coming to Asaba, it appears I might not even get home. You ask yourself, isn't this a clear case of insanity? Huh? For over 3 hours, suddenly the Niger Bridge, suddenly the Niger Bridge appears a promised land. We can see it from here, but we cannot enter it. We can see Niger Bridge, but we cannot enter it. Oh dear. Let me show us something. Let me show us again. Because we can see, but we can't. Okay. Now, look, watch me. I have abandoned the driver and I have walked at least for the last 15 minutes. I've been walking, just going, because I walked faster than the car. I can't even see my car here. My car is way, 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 still way behind. Now people are going one way. So tell me how we can ever get away from here, because when you see these idiots, these non-entities, idiots, cucumbers, carrots, see them. You know, I get so angry that I want to come somehow impound these vehicles and maybe what the Germans will call verschrotten. Just squeeze them and discard them, because it is a clear case of insanity. I've never seen a thing like this. Let me see if I can actually get to the point where this thing is. So we'll see. Hold on. Follow me. Follow me. Now watch the people breaking the law. These are the drivers. These are the law breakers. Okay? I wish there is a way I can punish them. I honestly wish there is a way I can punish all these lawbreakers. I honestly wish. Join me in this journey. You see? You see, policeman? Join me in this journey. Let's. That's fine. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is to get to Niger Bridge and show us where the whole madness come together. Before they even snatch my phone, let me hold my phone properly. This is. I'm getting to where the madness is happening. You see those that have done one way, yeah. Those that have done one way, they are being allowed. They are being allowed here. You see, they do that from there. They get over to this point, and they get in. So with this, tell me why the insanity will stop. Because as it appears, and I will show us quickly, we can see if I go up there, we can shortly see the Niger Bridge anywhere. You can see the Niger Bridge over there. As I said before, the Niger Bridge is like a promised land. This is the Niger Bridge here, right? Okay. So now watch out. And this is where the madness happens. That's the junction here. Exactly. These road safety people, everybody here, helpless. Yeah? See everybody here helpless. Well, people, on that note, I will say I will update us later. I remain one on your only. This Mazel is okay here. so that you guys know that madness is still live and real. Thank you very much. Now, I will be signing.